My name is Nadine Idris. I'm the founder and the director of Berlin Glass. So we start with mold blowing and then we go straight into glass blowing. And then during the open studio, they will actually do a public demonstration and show off their skills. In the beginning, of course, in the first few weeks, they have to follow a certain guideline because they need to learn the skills, they need to be comfortable. Glass blowing is hot and dangerous, which actually makes it desirable. And that's why we always do a paperweight, a cup, the very basic forms, and then we let them sort of diverge and start to experiment. And by the time we get to the public demonstration, they can come up with as crazy an idea as they want.
Hi, I'm Gracie. I am from Canada and I study arts and aesthetics at Bard College Berlin. Volunteering as a studio assistant, and now I assist the class that I originally took a year ago. It's important to mention that you don't need any experience at all to take the class. I've learned, for example, how to make very basic shapes, learning the basic steps, basic processes, the tools, what they're used for, and I think I have now a fairly good foundation for potentially learning how to make more complex forms.
The class is relatively small. We can only have 8 students, and we do that on purpose. This way we can actually teach the glass blowing. If we have more than that, then students wouldn't get as in-depth learning experience as they would. What would set Berlin apart from other glass programs is its location, because we're the only actually fully equipped public access glass studio in the city.
I really like glass as a medium because first of all, you work very quickly, and second of all, you're able to do a lot with the glass. You're able to explore then what you can do with it and kind of push the limits. Sometimes you push them a bit too far and things break, but that's part of the learning process, obviously. Glass has been a really nice way for me to work in visual art because I'm not a huge painter. I've tried other mediums as well, but I think it's been a really great way for me to just work with my hands and make something concrete. I think that you can hold in your hands. I think that's such a special thing.